Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add JazzCash payment method to Google Play. So how to actually do that? The first thing that you can actually do is to open Google Play app. After that, from here you can just click on your profile picture on the top right corner. So from here you can actually click on payment and subscriptions. So click on this section. And from here you will have payment method option. You can just click on it. So now from here you will see all your payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, or anything that you have added to Google Play. You can actually add or remove cards from here. So click on add credit card or debit card. And now you can actually enter all the information of your JazzCash payment method. So enter the card number, the month, the security code, and you can enter your name, address, and every information that connects to JazzCash card. After you do so, you can click on Save Card, and now Google Play will verify the card and accept it in Google Play services. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.